Hello, my name is Toderi. I'm Chief Marketing Officer at Pollinator, and we are very happy to be here in India at the BioAgTech Conference. Pollinator is an European company. We are producers of vegetal protein hydrolysates, so biostimulants, basically beneficial microbials, organic fertilizers, and also biochelates, which is a brand new technology we are presenting. So in India, we are starting our activity. We are currently distributed by one organization. It's called Aditya. And we are looking forward to improve our business for this country. We think that India is a very potential country for agriculture, and we are looking forward to bring here our sustainable solutions to help farmers thrive in their daily activity.